So how do you turn off the automatic time zone on your iPhone? Let's get started. If you're new on this channel, make sure you are part of Foxtecc because that way you will not miss future tutorials. So make sure you subscribe and let's get started. So on your iPhone, you can check out the main settings app where you get to find the general section of your settings, and inside it there, we can find the date and a time section. So this gives us like 2 or 3 options, like you're going to choose the 24-hour time, whatever, but below we have the automatic selection. So you basically get to turn it off like this, and the time will then be switched, right? So when you disable the automatic option below, we have some other things, right? So you get to now manually pick the time zone. So you have the ability to look up a city, like literally search it using the keyboard, and then you will adopt the time of your desired or selected city. Or you also have the manual slider. If you want to be completely manual, you can just, adjust the time by a few minutes, hours, or change the date, right? Obviously, I would not really recommend you to do it because it's like not gonna make things easier. It can only complicate things when you just manually mess with the time. But if you want to switch to a different time zone, you have the ability to do so, right? So that's how it works, and you can always return back to your local time by re-enabling the automatic selection. So let me know what you think about that below in the comments. Most definitely subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you later.